Now it's a picture describing time. So I will show you one picture, then I describe it. While learning, don't force yourself very hard. Learn with joy. It's very important. You are learning a new language, so you have to show and kind of excitement in your face, in your smile, in your heart, in your mind. Then only you will learn. And this is the picture. So this is the picture. You will also describe it. What is the use of describing a picture? While you are describing, you have to improve your prepositions. Yes, see this picture. Um, there is so many objectives on the table. So on, you have to. This is a preposition. So there is a lamp behind a woman. So behind. Hi GPT. I am going to describe this picture. Please correct my mistakes and explain why. So in this picture, it's a very beautiful family. There is a beautiful family in the picture. So the head of the family is a father, was cooking in the kitchen. The mother is sitting on the sofa and reading a book, and his son took a tab and watching something, and their daughter sitting on the table and writing her notebooks. So in this family, so the woman was working on that day. She arrived lately, so her husband wanted to help her, so that's why he thought that I had to complete a dinner before her arrived. But she came early, and she went to her husband and said, I can cook. Then her husband said, no problem, you go and um, study our children, make study our children, and I would cook. I will cook. So the woman took her children and sat on the sofa. She was studying, and also she made their children study. So there is a mug on the table. There is a small artificial flower pond on the table. There are two books on the table. So the table shape is square, and it seems night time. So I saw behind the curtains there is a dark something, so it's a night time. So it's a lovely family. They helped so the couple helped each other. So please correct my mistakes. So let's see how many mistakes I did. You also describe the picture and comment in the comment box. Please join me in this journey. If you are interested, if you are lack of consistency, uh, if you are lack of motivation, please join with me. Learn together, motivate each other, and be consistent every day. It's not a 1 day or 1 month journey. It's a 1 year journey. It's a long journey. There is a large scope to learn everything. So please join with me and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell. Ring the bell. Sorry, I'm the beginner, so forgive my mistakes because I don't. If I don't open the mouth, I can't learn. That's why I'm speaking. That's why. That's why I'm speaking. You also speak. Whether it is right or wrong, don't be dumb. It's a language, so you have to talk. There is no shortcuts in this language. Everybody thought that they didn't put any efforts, but they want English immediately. They get fluency immediately. How is possible? So it's not possible. So you have you have you have a lot of patience in this journey. So then only you get success. You have to be consistency. You have lot of patience, and you have to tell your opinions freely. Let's see. Absolutely, your description is very good, especially because you didn't just describe what you see. You create a little story about the family. That's excellent speaking practice. As you have to create, it's a very good for you for get fluency. Creativity is very important while you are learning. You have to narrate a story with the vocabulary. Then only your vocabulary improve. So you have to create. You have to express yourself. You have to tell your opinion. This is the language. So create everything, whatever you learn, grammar points, like take 5, should be, should have, would be, would have. So in these 5 words you have to create a short story, then you remember well, and learn 5 vocabulary words a day. At the end of the day you write a story and use these 5 vocabulary words in the story, then you remember. So this is the secret. So you have to imagine, you have to create something new. So these are my mistakes, and don't afraid of mistakes, because we are learning from mistakes. If you don't make any mistake, that means you didn't learn anything. Making mistakes proves that is you are learning, that you are progressing. So don't afraid. So start, whether right or wrong, talk yourself a lot before talking the people. First talk yourself, tell your opinions to yourself, tell your feelings to yourself, and tell your happy moods, sad moods, everything first yourself. Then only you are capable to tell your opinions. After that you tell others. So first give importance to yourself. Talk to yourself. Talk in front of the mirror. After that you have an idea what to talk and how to talk, what is the sentence pattern. Then you have an idea sorry, you get an idea. Then after that, a little bit of confidence you gain. So become you confident. There is no problem to go to talk other people. So first, give priority to yourself. At least tell to yourself what you likes, what don't likes. Tell yourself this is I like this one, I don't like this one. So talk yourself. Then you improve your thinking in English. After thinking in English, no one stop you. Then you get easily fluency in English. GPT said, my feedback, your biggest strength here is that you are creating a story from the picture. Yes, create everything. Whatever you see, create everything. Whatever you see, so create everything. Whatever you see, create a story with that. Then you easily remember. Not just listing objects. So don't listing objects like this is a remote, this is cell phone, this is pen. This is not English. You have to tell behind it a lot. So that is the creativity. That is the only thing. So makes you improve and get fluency. Your next goal should be to make your sentence shorter and use is, am, are plus verb being forms naturally when describing pictures. Yes, the forms I always forgetting where to use and how to use. I know well because I read grammar. So I know well be forms, have forms, do forms, but on the spontaneous time it is very important. You have to use on the spontaneous time. But I missed this one. That's why I'm speaking. I'm speaking in English. I'm speaking a broken English. After that I polished my English and then I get fluency. So please follow my channel for more videos like this. And we will meet when we will meet tomorrow. It's a long journey, I said already. We will meet tomorrow.